What's the meaning of certain? Certain. Certain.
Certain. Certain. The word certain refers to something that is definite or known without doubt. It indicates a high level of assurance or confidence in the accuracy or truthfulness of a statement. When we say that something is certain, we are essentially saying that it is a fact or a given, and there is no room for uncertainty or ambiguity. This term can be used to describe a wide range of things, from a mathematical proof to an impending event that we are sure will occur. Overall, certain is a powerful word that conveys a strong sense of conviction and confidence.